2025 didn't go as planned.
535 मार्क्स, बस थोड़े से मार्क्स से रह गई। बायोलॉजी ठीक था, केमिस्ट्री भी, पर फिजिक्स वो फिसल गया। इस बार पढ़ाई नहीं, तैयारी करो, वो भी स्मार्ट तरीके से, क्योंकि इन्फिनिटी लर्न लाए हैं अट्रेया, इंडियाज मोस्ट पावरफुल नीट रिपीटर्स प्रोग्राम विद P2CB, जिससे फिजिक्स पे होगा डबल फोकस।
Don't just make it your last try, make it your best one yet. Join Infinity Learn today.
Hello my dear students, welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Learn. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. So today we are going to start an academic session, mole concept and stoichiometry, deep insight about the mole concept and how to crack the problems in the mole concept and stoichiometric calculations. So my dear students, how are you all? Can you please confirm you can able to hear me and see me? And today I just want to introduce you Atreya program. Let's change our status from I didn't do to I will do. Yes, it is. Actually, in people you are studying NEET examination so nicely because of n number of reasons. Unfortunately, your NEET attempt didn't go well. So what you do? So you really regret that I didn't do. And Atreya program is designed in such a way that you will be doing the best for your upcoming NEET examination. आज का सेशन जो है फ़ायदा है आपके लिए जो बच्चों एक बार ड्रॉप करने वाले हैं and those students who are dropped from 2025 NEET to 2026 के लिए and also those students who are preparing NEET 2026 and currently studying 12th standard, and also this is the topic of mole concept is for 11th also. So all the students, this particular session is going to be very helpful, and please like and share with your friends and subscribe to Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. Anisha, good afternoon, happy to see you on board right here. So crack your NEET examination by using Atreya program. So this Atreya program is introduced by Infinity Learn. You can see India's most powerful NEET repeaters program, and the program is enriched with P2CB. What is P2CB? Physics twice a day and chemistry along with biology. Yes. When it comes to NEET examination, especially for those students preparing PCB, and physics is going to be a nightmare, and already it is witnessed physics slapped like anything. So Infinity Learn coming up with a program called P2CB, and physics is on us now and we are going to crack it. And the students who are preparing for now P2CB program, physics is going to be a simple enjoyable subject, and the program is designed like that. And you can see link is available in the description box, you can do it and you can. So what are the particulars of the program and its structure? Batch commencement, it starts from 23rd May, and days of the week, it is Monday to Saturday bachcho, and duration of this class is 1 hour 30 minutes, and classes per day, 3 classes, in that 2 concept classes and 1 practice session. And also classes per week, there are 18 classes per week, and you have the double practice session for physics, and along with biology and chemistry as usual, but you will be having a double physics practice session that gives a strong impact on the physics background students. Okay, now there are 465 plus live interactive classes by the expert faculties from the Infinity Learn and Sri Chaitanya Academy, and you can see 240 DPPs are also there. That's good. And Anisha, there are dedicated practice classes, 120 plus and more practice session, Anisha, and after class the session notes is going to be automatically given as a PDF form in this portal itself, and batch size for the practice is just 20 to 25. We are not going to dump 100 students in this batch, just 20 to 25 students max, so that you will be having a very good insight and very good impact interaction between the senior faculty and you. And Karim, hi. And this is very important. And also coverage of the syllabus 11th and 12th is completely covered during this. Okay, NEET preparation repeater program, the link is available in the description box, Atreya program, and the pinned messages also. Everybody please click it and you explore what you are going to do. Yes, for those dropping for NEET examination currently and for the next year, and we Infinity Learn is with you by Atreya program. We are going to take care of you by using P2CB program. And you completed your NEET examination, just we can predict the rank and college wherever you want to see, AIMS, JIPMER, AFMC and any GMC and top private medical colleges. Find your real dream top medical colleges and check now, there is a link, we are going to take care of that also, and we will start the academic program. Please subscribe our NEET Infinity Learn channel and please like this session, share with your friends. Okay, ready? And let us start the mole concept, and we will talk about the mole concept. Take a pen and paper and solve along with us. So we will be rising. What is a mole? Mole is an entity which count for Avogadro number. What is an Avogadro number? That is 602.214.076.000.000.000.000. So इतना बड़ा number है, कमाल किया. And this big number is called as Avogadro number, and this is the one who has given this number from the number of atoms from 12 grams of carbon. Right, Abhishek? Good afternoon. Hello, Abhishek. How are you? Abhishek, how are you? Yeah. So this number is called as Avogadro number. This Avogadro number can be written as 6.022 into 10 raised 23. This number is called as Avogadro number. This Avogadro number is symbolically represented by Na. Avogadro number is a number and which contain 1 mole of the substance. Magic charm, namaste, hi, and be interactive, and I am so friendly faculty and you can have a discussion with you and me here. So let this live session should be like a 100% interactive session, but not a radio session. Now my dear students, 1 mole means, sure, 1 mole means it is 12 grams of carbon and it contains 12 atoms. It contains 602 sextillion atoms. That is nothing but 6.022 into 10 raised 23 atoms. That is called Avogadro constant. Array, you people write as 6.022 into 10 raised 23. Okay, of course it is true. And when you solve numerical, make it 6 into 10 raised 23 ताकि आपको simple लगेगा, आसानी तरह से आप calculate भी कर सकते हैं, है ना? And my dear children, here 1 mole can be calculated. A mole is connected to various things. A mole is connected to the mass of the substance. A mole is connected to the number of particles. A mole is connected to volume of the gas at standard temperature and pressure. I want to say a mole means the mass of 1 mole of substance is equal to its gram molecular weight expressed in grams. That is called GMW. In the case of molecules, in the case of atoms, it is going to be GAW, gram atomic weight expressed in grams, okay, instead of AMU. I want to say number of particles. 1 mole of any substance which includes some Avogadro number of particles. So I want to say, especially for a gas at standard temperature and pressure, that is 1 atm and 0 degree centigrade or 273 Kelvin, it is said to be it is said to be STP. At STP, 1 mole of a substance is going to occupy 22.4 liters or 22400 milliliters. So in this YouTube channel, I am giving you the context and the subject in more generous way, granular way and concise way. Okay, Magic Charm, Abhishek, Karib, everybody follow this. Now you want to say how 1 mole of a substance can appear. Yes, 1 mole of zinc appear like this, 1 mole of carbon appear like this, 1 mole of magnesium appear like this, 1 mole of copper appear like this. 1 mole of tin appear like this, 1 mole of lead appear like this, silicon appear like this, sulfur powder appear like this. If I give you 1 mole of anything, let us say 1 mole of peanuts, it is going to cover the entire Marina Beach in Chennai. Yes, but atoms are such a small things now, 1 mole appears like this. Are you getting or not? That's a simple analogy I just want to give you, which contain its molecular mass. Atomic mass of sulfur is 32.1. So 32.1 gram of sulfur is equal to 1 mole. And if you could able to count this number of sulfur atoms, which contain 6 into 10 raised 23 sulfur atoms. You can say 12 grams of carbon is equal to 1 mole, which contains 6 into 10 raised 23 atoms. Similarly, 63.5 gram of copper. If you see, if you can count, Anisha, which you can count, practically you cannot count, okay, it contains 10 to the power of 23, 6 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. So this is how you have to feel the importance of the mole, right? So now important point notes, very important point notes, where these points is missed by the students. So फिलहाल the concept ठीक चल रहा था, now तकलीफ शुरू है. So because you miss the important notes, everybody take a pen and paper and write the important notes I want to give you. STP NTP condition क्या? The standard temperature and pressure or normal temperature and pressure are called STP or NTP, both are same. And the pressure is equal to 1 atm or 760 mmHg. When the temperature is 0 degrees centigrade and 273 Kelvin, it is said to be STP conditions. Magic, find the chapter difficulties while solving questions. No. Magic Charm, you can find chapter so easy. I am going to give you the tricks to solve this also. And 1 gram atom, second point काफी important है बेटा. 1 gram atom is same as 1 mole. 1 gram atom means 1 mole of atoms. That's very, very important. ग्राम मोल बोलते हैं इसका. 1 gram mole means 1 mole of molecules. 1 mole of molecules. That's very, very important. Atomic weight expressed in grams. So 1 gram molecule is also same thing. So the term 1 gram is 1 mole when gram is used like a prefix. Exactly, Anisha, आप जो बोल रहे हैं ना सही है. And you just find these points are so important and very, very useful. So important and very, very useful. है ना? And again, और एक important note था. I will give it. Give a minute. Yes. Now 1 gram ion is the same as 1 mole of ion, hence will have weight equal to ionic weight. ठीक है, ये same है. Now let us talk about one more important. Remember 1 gram atom 1 gram of atom and gram atom are two different phrases. So there a student is going to miscommunicate. समझे बेटा? And this is mentioning about equal to 1 gram. It is equal to 1 gram, है ना? And here it is equal to 1 mole. Are you getting or not? Clear? Any doubt? That's very, very important. That's very, very important. They are different. If you understand they are different, you will be confident in your stoichiometry and mole concept. If not, you will be still in confusion. है ना? That's good. Now, example you can say x gram atom of nitrogen is equal to x mole of nitrogen atom, that is equal to x gram into Avogadro number, बच्चों. And also that is equal to number of nitrogen atoms here, x gram molecule of nitrogen is equal to x mole of nitrogen molecules, that is equal to x into Avogadro number is equal to molecules of nitrogen is equal to 2 into Avogadro number of nitrogen atoms, because one nitrogen molecule contains 2 nitrogen atoms. Hey, you know? Right, that's very good capture, Anisha and Abhishek and magic charm. And let us go in various formats of calculation of the mole concept. है ना? Now, calculation of moles, we have 3 types, type 1, type 2, type 3. Okay, Abhishek, type 1 देखते हैं पहले, type 2 बाद में, after this type 3. ठीक है? So, let's talk about calculation of number of moles. So, number of moles. N is equal to a weight expressed in grams upon molecular weight. Okay, so N it can be calculated by weight by gram molecular weight. Simple. So a type 1, when the mass of the substance is given, it is used when the mass of the substance is given. Magic rhyme. Very good. So this is type 1. Simple, na? No big derivation, just like a physics, and simple calculation. Everybody knows it. Now the story begins. Let's talk about the type 2. When the number of atoms or when the number is given, so we can say here number of moles can be calculated by using number of atoms or molecules or ions or electrons, जो भी है मान लो, upon Avogadro number 6 into 10 raised 23, that is Avogadro number. You can say this is the formula for this type 2. This is the formula for this type 2. Got it? And let us talk about this calculation of moles type 3. जब volume of the gas is given, my dear children, when the volume of gas is given, at STP, so तब आपका carefully see number of moles can be calculated is equal to N is equal to volume of gas at STP in liters upon 22.4, that's it. It should be in liters, or else you can say volume in milliliters can be 22400 लिया मैं, है ना? अगर STP में नहीं दिया तो क्या करो? Values are given 22.4, 22.6 also as far as the NCERT standard condition is concerned. क्वेश्चन में दिया जाएगा आपको 22.4 लेना है, अगर 22.6 मेंशन किया गया तो 22.6 इस्तेमाल करो. अंडरस्टैंड, क्लियर, गॉट इट अनिशा? अरे आप अगर ये वैल्यू जो है ना एसटीपी में नहीं दिया तो क्या करूं? सिंपली P1 V1 बाई T1 इज इक्वल टू P2 V2 बाई T2 इस्तेमाल करके एसटीपी कंडीशन में बदलो। अनिशा समझ में आ रही क्या बच्चों? वेरी गुड, नाइस, perfect. Now let us talk about the calculation of moles in various formats. So I just want to say you have बच्चों you have type 1, type 2, type 3. ये type 1, type 2, type 3 में क्या कर रहे हैं? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स निकल रहे हैं ना, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स टाइप 1, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स टाइप 2, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स टाइप 3, है ना? सो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स टाइप 1, टाइप 2, टाइप 3 कंबाइन करके मैं एक नया फॉर्मूला निकालना कोशिश करता हूं। नया फॉर्मूला नहीं है, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इज इक्वल टू वेट ऑफ द सब्सटेंस बाय ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर वेट, टाइप 1 का है, एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू नंबर बाय एवोगाड्रो नंबर 6 into 10⁻23, that is equal to volume by in liters by 22.4. So I just want to use this. Are you getting or not? Clear? Any doubt बच्चों? So इसका फायदा क्या? अगर मान के चलो वेट दिया गया तो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स निकाल सकते हैं, नंबर दिया तो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स निकाल सकते हैं, वॉल्यूम दिया गया तो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कर सकते हैं, एंड वेट दिया गया तो गैस का वॉल्यूम निकाल सकते हैं, गैस का वॉल्यूम दिया तो इसका मास निकाल सकते हैं, वॉल्यूम दे सकते हैं, नंबर भी निकाल सकते हैं। मेनी गुड थिंग्स यू कैन डू इट, many good things you can do it from here. Okay, you can say from here weight is equal to, from here weight is equal to number of moles into molecular weight. Okay, and number is equal to number of moles into Avogadro number, and volume is equal to number of moles into 22.4, and these are the simplified version of the other formulas, and you can enter from anywhere to anywhere by cross multiplication. समझ में आ रही है क्या बच्चों? So this is not actually a difficult topic. This is the one where you need to just go ahead with this, how you understand the question, how the manipulations you have to do. Do things in a smart way. And never fear about I'm weak in calculation. सारे के सारा बच्चों जो बच्चों प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं नीट के लिए, आई एम ए बायोलॉजी स्टूडेंट, वीक इन न्यूमेरिकल्स, वीक इन मैथमेटिक्स, वीक इन कैलकुलेशन, ऐसे करके यस आई वांट टू इमिटेट यू इन टुडेज क्लास व्हाइल डूइंग योर न्यूमेरिकल्स. एग्री? एंड यू विल अंडरस्टैंड वेयर ए स्टूडेंट कैन डू मिस्टेक्स. समझ में आ रही है बेटा? अनिशा, मैजिक, अभिषेक, ओके. सो आगे बढ़ना. सो लेट अस टॉक अबाउट दिस. हाउ many gram atoms? You see, how many gram atoms and number of atoms are there in 60 grams of carbon and 2 to 4.4 gram of copper. इसका atomic masses are given. So gram atom means number of moles. That's it. You understand? You come out of the confusion first. You decide yourself. Right? Let us say the A. So number of moles is equal to, weight is given by gram atomic weight. Atoms का है ना? So 60 grams of carbon. 60 upon 12. 12 is the atomic mass. Okay, and number of carbon, number is equal to 60 upon 12 into Avogadro number. That's it. That is your answer. Clear? You need not have to solve it again, right, Abhishek? Now similarly, let me solve B. Let me solve B. 224.4 gram of copper, right? So number of moles is equal to 224.4 upon 63.6 is given. Number is going to be 224.4 upon 63.6 into 6 into 10 raised 23. समझ में आ रही है क्या बेटा? Clear? Simple? Yes, it is going to be 5 into 1 into 10 power 23. Exactly, you did same. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. आप जो सीखा इसी वक्त में ये इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ. Anisha, it's a very good attempt from you and I am going to appreciate you guys. Now let's talk about minimum molecular weight. This is a super important. Minimum molecular weight. So you know simple molecule like H2SO4. You can calculate this is the molecular mass of H2SO4. You have to take the hydrogen atomic mass, sulfur atomic mass, oxygen atomic mass. And you're going to get the molecular mass as 98. But you want to take a protein or any polymer, a nucleic acid or a protein or any polymer, it is going to be a big molecule. And it is going to continue the size of the molecule. Sometimes it could be this much, sometimes it could be this much, sometimes it could be this much. So you can't quantify the length of the polymer. इसमें exactly कितने atom होगा? So इसके लिए a minimum molecular mass as a concept is used. Minimum molecular mass is a concept where a polymer is assumed to have one of the element, at least one atom in it. So to calculate minimum molecular mass, there is a simple formula. Minimum molecular mass is equal to atomic weight upon percentage of the abundance, percentage of the element into 100. So an example here, insulin is a protein contain 3.4% sulfur in it. Find its minimum molecular mass. कर सकते हैं आप? हाँ, मैं आपके लिए. Minimum molecular mass is equal to atomic mass is 32. sulfur का atomic mass 32.1, 32 ले लो. एंड इसका जो परसेंटेज है ना एक्सपेरिमेंटली 3.4 निकाल दिया. क्वेश्चन खुद पूछ रहे हैं. एंड इट इज टेकन एज 100. सॉल्व करके बताओ अनिशा, सॉल्व करके बताओ. 3200 of 3.4 एंड इट इज अराउंड 941.1 AMU होगा. आर यू गेटिंग और नॉट क्लियर? एनी डाउट? एनी डाउट हियर? सिंपल ना? This is a simple trick I can give you. This is a simple trick I can give you बच्चों. अगर डाउट है ना तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. एंड इफ इट इज अ मोनोमर, उसमें एक ही मॉलिक्यूल होगा. डाइमर 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स हो सकते हैं, ट्राइमर 3 मॉलिक्यूल्स, टेट्रामर 4 मॉलिक्यूल्स. ठीक है. 941 अनिशा करेक्ट, परफेक्ट, नाइस, गुड, डूइंग गुड. अगर कुछ डाउट है ना तो पूछना बच्चों. Next, moving ahead. So 1 mole of CH4 contain. Now multiple choice. Multiple choice. आपका आंसर क्या होगा? 1 mole of CH4 contain 1 mole and 4 moles. है ना? That is the symbol. So 4 into 6 into 10 power 23 atoms of hydrogen. So this is wrong. It contains 4 mole of hydrogen, 4 mole atoms of hydrogen. You see the term. Gram atom means mole na? So it is the correct answer. Got it? Understanding the phrase is very, very, very important, bachcho. And 3 grams of carbon. 1 mole means it contains 12 grams, na? It is going to be 12 grams. Okay? So this is not correct. So it contains Avogadro number of molecules. So your answer for this question is going to be 2. Are you getting or not? Clear, bachcho? Clear? One more question. 7.5 gram of gas occupy 5.6 liters at STP. The gas is. Who is going to do this? I'm expecting answer from you side, and I will wait and I'll give you a minute time to solve it. Anisha, Abhishek and Magic Chem, come on, do it. Perfect. 1 point extra. I'm going to give the surprise gift also on the YouTube channel. So what is our answer for this? अब यूनिटरी मेथड भी कर सकते हैं ना. That's fine, that's fine. Expecting an answer, बच्चों, expecting an answer. अरे, some of the student is given a different name. I can't understand the language as well. Okay, anyways, come on. What is the answer for this? 7.5 gram of the gas occupy 5.6 liters. Right? So based on this data, we can calculate the molecular mass. Right? So from their molecular mass, we can get the molecular formula as well. So 5.6 के लिए आपका 7.5 ग्राम बन चुका. ठीक है, ठीक है. अगर 22.4 लीटर्स के लिए मास कितना होगा? It is going to be 7.5. It become 4 times, so it will become 4 times. Is going to be 30. So जिस गैस का 30 मॉलिक्यूलर मास आ सकते हैं वो गैस आंसर हो सकते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? सो नाइट्रोजन इसका 14 का है, ऑक्सीजन इसका 16 का, मिलके 30 होगा. आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी द फर्स्ट आंसर. गॉट इट? एनी डाउट? और एक क्वेश्चन करने का तैयार हो बच्चों? और एक क्वेश्चन करने का तैयार हो? Now let's talk about the reaction of hydrogen and oxygen gives a water vapor. Okay, the volumes are 2:1:2. This illustrates the law of, you tell me. So hydrogen is a gas, oxygen is a gas, gives rise water is a vapor state. It is given in the vapor state. Now it is balanced. If I want to say 2, 2 and it is going to be 1. As this indicates, this number 2 indicates as the gas 2 volumes, and this 1 indicates the gas, it is going to be 1 volume, and this indicates 2, it is going to be 2 volumes. Okay? So the number of volumes, okay, that is the ratio is fixed in this reaction, that is called as Gay-Lussac law of combined volumes. Okay, so it is combined volumes. Are you getting or not? Law of combining volumes of the gases, reactants and the products, all conservation of mass, combining weights. Yes, all the above, and it is going to be all the above. I can say it is going to be all the above. Better we can say that. Okay. Now talking about the molecular mass of the compound Be3AlXSA6O18 is 537 AMU. I am asking you to find this value X. I am asking you to find the value X. Can you do this? Anisha, I am expecting you to do this. Can you do this? Now take this molecular mass of beryllium 3 into 9, aluminum 27, X times मान लो, silicon it is going to be 28 into 6, oxygen it is going to be 16 into 18 and it is equated to 537. आपको पता चलेगा एक सॉल्व करने का. When you do the same thing here, I'm going to get n value is going to be 2. Got it? Any doubt? The same way. The same way. Anisha? Yeah, it is an excellent, and I want to see you. An organic compound has 8% of sulfur by weight. What is the molecular weight of the compound? Percentage weight. How to do this? Dear, how to do this? You want me to solve it? It is 2. Okay, previous one in n is equal to. Acha baat hai Anisha. And can you do this? You can solve it directly by using formula. Percentage of the element is equal to weight of the element upon molecular weight into 100. So an organic compound has 8% of sulfur by weight. What is the molecular weight? 8% it is said. So weight of the element you have to take. Okay, so here it is, at least you can say it is going to be 8%, and it is going to be 32, and molecular weight you have to calculate into 100. That's the one. Now you can solve in a systematic way. 8 parts of sulfur is equal to 100 parts of the compound, that is 32 points of sulfur. You have to calculate. You want to say 400. The minimum molecular weight, you can simply say it is 400. Perfect. Correct. It is going to be 400. Anisha, that is good. It is the minimum molecular weight is going to be 400. Right? Now, molecular weight can be multiple of 400, 800, 1200, 1600, 2000. You can add, keep on adding 400. कम से कम 400 हो सकता है. Anisha, next. Calculate the mass of one oxygen atom in grams. अरे अच्छा बात है. You want me to give trick? Can you solve it? After that we are going to get into the percentage, empirical formula, molecular formula, and you can go ahead with stoichiometry calculation. हाथ ज़्यादा दूर जाना है हम. And I want you to say this, mass of one oxygen atom. Okay, trick. I just want to give you a trick. Mass of one atom is equal to atomic weight in grams upon Avogadro number. It is a super awesome trick, dear. You can use it. By using this trick, you can say, and otherwise mass of one oxygen atom is 16, and mass of one oxygen atom 16 grams, units AMU से ग्राम बना दिया, and 16 gram of oxygen contains Avogadro number बच्चों, and mass of Avogadro number is equal to 16 grams, and mass of one oxygen atom is equal to 16 by Avogadro number, and you are going to get 2.658 into 10 power minus 23. Or otherwise you can say mass is equals, directly it is going to 32 upon 6 into 10 power 23. Bas. Exactly. Clear? Any doubt bachcho? Anisha? Very good, nice. And calculate the mass of 100 atoms of helium in grams. आप करके बताओ. That's good. So let us have a chance to the students also. Come on, make it fast. Now for one atom, molecular atomic mass of helium is 4 grams. So that 6.022 into 10 power 23. And 100 helium atoms is equal to 4 into Avogadro number into 100. That's it. And on solving, what you are going to get, it is 6.67 into 10 power minus 22. Are you getting or not? Clear? Any doubt, bachcho? Now let us go into the Percentages? Exactly. Your answer is appreciated, bachcho. Okay. AMU and gram both are the same units? No, Anisha, that's not. When AMU is for one atom, I am coming to that point. When AMU is for one atom, so one atom of helium is equal to 4 AMU. Got it? Fine. But we know that 1 AMU is equal to 1.6 so it is going to be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 28 grams. Now it is going to be 4 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 28 grams, and mass of 1 mole of helium is equal to 4 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 28 into 6 into 10 to the power 23 grams. On solving, you are going to get 4 grams. Got it? So, gram atomic weight mean to say the same atomic weight expressed in grams. The mass of 1 mole of atoms expressed in grams. Come out of the confusion. Any doubt? Clear? 1.66 आना है 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Fine, you can solve it. Now moving ahead, bachcho, the number of atoms in 1.4 gram of nitrogen gas is, mind it bachcho, here it is given that gas means it is a nitrogen, dinitrogen, it's a gas, dinitrogen is the gas. Okay? Number of atoms, so its molecular mass is going to be 28 grams. Okay, 1 mole is equal to 28 grams, right? So now I want to say number of moles 1.4 into upon 28 and number of atoms. So number of N2 molecules is equal to 1.4 by 28 into Avogadro number. Okay, fine. Number of नाइट्रोजन एटम्स उसमें एक नाइट्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल में 2 नाइट्रोजन एटम्स होगा. So 1.4 upon 28 into 6 into 10 to the power 23 into 2. Got it? So your answer is going to be option D, Anisha. Really I appreciate. It is going to be no. 1.4 6 into 10 power 22. Okay. It is going to be A, not D. Recalculate once. Yeah, recalculate once. As you said it is D, I was claiming that it is D. Right? Next. So which of the following has the smallest number of molecules? You tell me. So number of molecules. Bacho, number of molecules is directly proportional to number of moles. है ना? Now it is going to be 22.4 into 10 cube ml. Mean to say it is coming to 2400 milliliters. Mean to say it is going to be N is equal to 1 mole होगा. Right? 1 mole होगा. And the 22 grams of carbon dioxide, 44 grams of carbon dioxide is going to be 1 mole. उसमें आधा 22 होगा ना तो 0.5 mole होगा. Right? Okay. So number of moles is equal to 22.4 liters is equal to 1 mole, and it is going to be 11.2 liters is equal to 0.5 mole. Okay. And here 0.1 mole. So number of moles is equal to 0.1 mole. So that the answer for the n is equal to 1 and 0.5, 0.5, 0.1. उसमें कम से कम number 0.5 होगा. Answer is going to be D. Got it? Clear? Any doubt? Vacho? That's good. Now at NTP, any doubt? Other students, please participate in the discussion. So if you have any doubts, it's on me. I'm going to do this. I'm going to help you, my dear students. And at NTP, 1 gram of hydrogen has volume in liters. Answer? Answer? Okay. So hydrogen means hydrogen molecule, right? Hydrogen molecular weight is 2 grams. So 2 grams is equal to 22.4 liters. If 1 gram is equal to how much? It is going to be 11.2 liters. Got it? It is going to be 11.2 liters. Got it? Answer is going to be D. Option D again. So everybody has a right to talk and discuss things here. So the molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44 AMU and Avogadro number is this much. Therefore, mass of one carbon dioxide molecule is. Hi, Saurya. Now use the trick. Saurya, I request use the trick. Use the trick. Option A. Yes, mass of one molecule. What is our trick, dear children? So we have mass of one molecule is equal molecular weight upon 6 into 10 raised 23. Molecular weight is given 44 and 6 into 10 to the power 23. So my answer comes to you, Anisha. As you said, it is this time no mistake. There is no mistake here. Okay. Now let us go ahead. The number of moles of hydrogen in 0.224 liters of hydrogen gas. Exactly, you can do it now. Students, stay tuned and you can do the best. Array, you can do NEET examination with a lot of motivation, ambition. When you do this kind of questions, no, you will understand how to climb the ladder, right? Agree? You are with me? You are with me? Yes, number of moles of hydrogen. So number of moles. So liters are given. So volume in liters upon 22.4, that is going to be 0.224 upon 22.4 is going to be at how much it is coming, C 0.01. Got it? Exactly, why you are hesitating? So you can say mole. Okay, that's perfect, okay. Now dear children, 3 mole of ammonia content combinations. 3 mole of ammonia, its molecular mass is going to be 17 grams, which contain 14 grams of nitrogen and 3 grams of hydrogen. 3 मोल, अगर 3 मोल होने तो क्या होगा? 3 मोल होगा तो you have to multiply with 3, you have to multiply with 3. Got it? Clear? Got it? Clear? Now let us see 18 grams of hydrogen. Wrong. 42 grams of nitrogen. Right, 10 gram of hydrogen and 14 grams of nitrogen. You just check it. 3 into 14. Your answer is going to be B. Are you getting or not? Clear? Fine? Pakka? So this kind of analytics is important. How to analyze the given structure, given molecular formula and given molecular weight and the mass of the atom present in that given molecular structure, right? Anisha, 9 gram of hydrogen, 42 gram of nitrogen, and what you said is correct. Exactly that command you need to maintain. Otherwise, I just don't want to show such a glamorous performance on the screen in front of camera. I'm actually making you to prepare for your actual NEET examination. So Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel, always subject goes like this. Mind it, please like this session, share with your friends and subscribe to Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. Okay, now how many electrons are present in 180 grams of water? Now the questions are floating like anything. My dear students, you can do it fine. So ammonia, so water, so it is water, okay. Water contain 2 hydrogens, each hydrogen contain 1 electron, so 2 electrons from the here. Oxygen contain 8 electrons, okay. So one water molecule contain 10 electrons. Shaurya, okay. Now 1 mole of water, so 1 water molecule is equal to 18 grams, contain 10 electrons, है ना? 10 electrons, and 1 mole of water molecule, 1 mole of H2O is equal to 18 grams contain 10 mole electron. So question is asking 180 grams. 180 grams is equal to 10 mole is equal to 100 mole electron. 100 mole electron, answer is going to be 100. Yeah. So no noise in the class, please. Let us be interactive and raise with the concept. So no spamming, please. No spamming, please. So बच्चा के लिए कुछ भला करने का कोशिश करता हूँ, and we don't expect anything, and these classes are absolutely free, and you can enjoy these classes, and you can participate, you can get advantage of this. And you want to have this kind of classes, you need to pay huge amount of money in various coaching institutes. But here we are giving these sessions with full free of cost. Okay, for that you please appreciate and you just get advantage of this. That's the reason why, my dear students, please don't spam in the class. Okay, now next question bachcho. And 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide, 2.24 liter of hydrogen at STP are mixed in a container. The total number of molecules present in the container will be. Okay, sir, 1 year classes will be free. Anisha, in this YouTube channel, okay, you just click the button so that you are going to subscribe to this. When you subscribe it, automatically whenever the sessions are there, we are going to get an update. Okay, आज सेशन है, कल भी सेशन है, कितने बजे को, आपको थोड़ा सा आपको मैसेज आ सकते हैं. You can simply click it and enjoy and attend the class. It is going to be, our sessions are completely free, we never ask anything. Okay, Anisha, fine? Anisha, fine? That's good. Okay, now 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide, mean to say it is going to be 0.1 mole. And 2.24 liters of hydrogen, 22.4 and 1 mole, 2.4 and 0.1 mole, 0.1 mole. अरे उसमें 0.1 मोल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड था, 0.1 मोल हाइड्रोजन भी है. So what is going to total number of moles is equal to 0.1 plus 0.1 is equal to 0.2 है ना. Now 0.2 होने तो volume is equal to number of moles total into 22.4, that is equal to 0.2 into 22.4. That is your answer. Number now you have to take Avogadro number. That is going to be number is equal to number of moles total into 6 into 10 raised 23. 0.2 into 6 into 10 raised 23. So it is going to be 1.2 into 10 to the power 23. Option B, Anisha. Right? That's very good. That's very good. Okay. Now परसेंटेज कंपोजिशन. सो आप फिलहाल मोल कॉन्सेप्ट देखा एक्सटेंसिव फॉर्मेट में. अभी आपको पेश कर रहा हूँ द परसेंटेज कंपोजिशन कैसा निकालना, क्या करना. द कंपोजिशन ऑफ प्योर केमिकल कंपाउंड इज ऑलवेज फिक्स्ड, लॉ ऑफ कांस्टेंट प्रोपोर्शन, राइट, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉ ऑफ डेफिनेट प्रोपोर्शन और कांस्टेंट प्रोपोर्शन. सो द परसेंट कंपोजिशन मीन्स परसेंट 100 का कितना. So the weight in grams of an element present in 100 grams of the compound is called weight percentage. So my dear students, mass percentage of an element is equal to mass of the element upon the molecular mass into 100. This is a simplified formula. Simplified formula. है ना? And based on that, how we can do, I will tell you. Now, methods of estimating elements in given substance. If a compound is given, it could be organic compound or inorganic compound. It can have hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine, bromine, or any element. So, based on these percentages, you can calculate the empirical formula. From empirical formula, you can calculate the molecular formula. So, I just want to drive this. So, experimentally percentage of element कैसा निकाल सकते हैं? So, percentage of an element can be calculated here. So, experiment में क्या करते हैं? So, मान के चलो हाइड्रोजन कार्बन है. Formula is similar to the formula of molecular mass. Yeah. So, carbon in the experiment way can be calculated by using Liebig's method. And the substance measured, the organic compound is present in the compound is carbon, right? So, compound is subjected for the complete combustion so that carbon is converted into carbon dioxide. So, the weight of carbon dioxide is measured. So, the percentage of carbon dioxide, so carbon dioxide is measured, है ना? So, the percentage of carbon is equal to weight of carbon dioxide into weight, weight of the compound into 12 by 44 into 100. So, this is weight of carbon dioxide, weight of organic compound. So, weight of the substance is W. Understand? This is about the percentage of carbon. In this NEET examination, you will be asked to guess, given the data, you have to take the percentages. Are you getting or not? It's a very useful information, my dear children. ताकि आपको हाइड्रोजन भी कर सकते हैं. So, that is also by doing the Liebig's method, my dear children. And that is equal to weight of the water, W2. So, similarly, percentage of hydrogen is equal to weight of the water upon weight of the compound in the experiment into 2 by 18 into 100. Why 18 here? Because water is taken, molecular mass of water is 18. Why 44 is taken here? Molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44. Are you getting or not? Clear? Any doubt? Chalta? Right? That's good. That's good. Now talking about the nitrogen. Nitrogen is estimated by using two methods, bachcho. One is Dumas method, another one is Zeldal method. ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में और एक बार पता चलेगा आपको. अगर ड्यूमॉस मेथड होना तो नाइट्रोजन गैस निकालते हैं, सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ नाइट्रोजन कैलकुलेट करना. एंड इफ यू वांट टू टेक द Zeldal method, ammonia has to be formed. Nitrogen is converted into ammonia, so you have to take the nitrogen into the consideration. So nitrogen, you have Dumas method. So volume of nitrogen has to be taken. So by Dumas method, GK, hi sir, you can explain it again. Yeah, this nitrogen you want me to explain, or carbon or hydrogen you want me to explain? The substance taken will be the prominent compound present in the atmosphere. No. It could be for any source, Anisha. Okay, GK Blossom, you please be clear your question so that I am ready to pardon myself, right? So it could be something from a fruit, from a leaf, or from anywhere in the nature. Okay, you want to take something from any bread or biscuit also. Okay, carbon. So the organic compound is subjected for combustion by the Liebig method. So carbon is converted into carbon dioxide. So the weight of carbon dioxide we measure is taken into the consideration. So from the weight of carbon dioxide from the experiment, you can calculate the percentage of carbon is equal to weight of carbon dioxide. Rather, I just want to write this percentage of carbon, okay, is equal to weight of carbon dioxide upon weight of compound into 12 by 44 into 100. You understand now? You understand now? Clear? You understand? So in this YouTube channel, if any student asks any kind of question, it will be anticipated with a lot of love and respect. Okay? Similarly हाइड्रोजन भी आप कर सकते हैं. ठीक है बेटा? By Liebig method, there's hydrogen is converted into water. So that percentage of hydrogen is equal to weight of water, okay, upon weight of compound into 2 by 18, why 18? Because we are taking water, into 100. ठीक है Anisha? That's good. Now the nitrogen can be done by using two methods. One is Dumas method, another one is Zeldal method. बच्चों Dumas method, you have Dumas method where volume of nitrogen is gathered, and percentage of nitrogen from the Dumas method, volume of nitrogen upon weight of the compound into 28 by 22400 into 100. So volume of nitrogen in milliliter में लिया, इसी का कारण 22400 लेना चाहता हूँ. Are you getting or not? Any doubt? Any doubts? Because George Franklin, 1 mole of gas is equal to 22.4 liters, 22400 milliliters. As this volume is taken in milliliters, I have taken 22400. Are you getting or not? Clear? Anisha? In the other method, ammonia is taken. Yes, Anisha, that is called Zeldal method. Nitrogen can be taken into the Zeldal's method. And where weight of ammonia is taken, from the mass of ammonia, percentage of nitrogen is equal to weight of ammonia upon weight of the compound into 14 by 17 into 100. Why 17? That is the molecular mass of ammonia. Fine, that is the molecular mass of ammonia. Are you getting or not? Right. Now, sulfur. Weight of sulfur can be calculated by using, thank you. Weight of sulfur can be calculated by using Carrier's tube method. In this Carrier's tube method, what happened? Sulfur is converted into barium sulfate. Okay, BaSO4. Okay, so the percentage of sulfur is equal to weight of sulfur upon weight of compound, weight of sulfur into weight of compound into 32 by 233. So this molecular weight of barium sulfate is going to be molecular weight of barium sulfate is going to be 233 into 100. Got it? Clear? So this is valuable information I wanted to give you. You can connect the same process for in this organic chemistry also, practical organic chemistry also. Here NEET examination based on these calculations, one question is already asked, and in the JEE examination also based on this you had a question. Very, very, very important. George Franklin. So you are from seriously preparing for NEET or any examination? Seriously preparing NEET or any examination? Okay, Anisha, happy to with Tamil Nadu, sir, NEET. Very good. நீ எப்படி இருக்க? George Franklin. Okay. Now we can move ahead. And you can take the chlorine. Okay, chlorine can be calculated by using estimated by using Carrier's method, where the substance is subjected for a treatment with Carrier's tube with silver nitrate, so that silver chloride is going to be precipitated. So the silver chloride is estimated, that is the percentage of chlorine is equal to weight of silver chloride upon weight of the substance into 35.5 upon 143.5. So silver chloride, a molecular mass is going to be 135.5. Okay, 143.5. I just want to say 143.5. 143.5. Okay, and this is going to give you the percentage of chlorine by Carrier's method. If the substance is treated with silver nitrate, if the bromine is present, silver bromide is going to be precipitated. Okay, so silver bromide, molecular mass of silver bromide is going to be 188. That's the reason why mass of the silver bromide can give you the percentage of bromine. So the weight of silver bromide upon weight of the compound into 80 by 188 into 100. Why 188 here? Mass of the silver bromide. Are you getting or not? And Carrier's tube method. Iodine is also done by using Carrier's tube method. By using Carrier's tube method, silver nitrate is treated so that the iodine present is going to be converted into silver iodide. This silver iodide gives you the mass of molecular mass of silver iodide is going to be 235. That's the reason why percentage of iodine is equal to mass of silver iodide into 127 into 100 upon weight of the compound into 235. Okay. So this is all about the halogens. Sulfur halogens are done by using Carrier's tube method, Anisha. And you have phosphorus also done by using a Carrier's method. And the weight of magnesium pyrophosphate is taken Mg2P2O7. So Mg2P2O7, magnesium pyrophosphate. So it is not visible here. I would like to write here Mg2P2O7, magnesium pyrophosphate. It is going to be 222 is the molecular mass. So the mass of magnesium pyrophosphate is taken, and its percentage of phosphorus is equal to weight of magnesium pyrophosphate upon weight of the organic compound into 62 by 222 into 100. There is no exact method to calculate percentage of oxygen. That's the reason why we take oxygen in a separate manner, so we can subtract in the principle. What is this? Is called subtraction principle. So that is percentage of oxygen is equal to 100 minus sum of the percentage of all the elements you did it. That is subtraction principle. There is no special method to calculate the percentage of oxygen. Understand, bachcho? Clear? Any doubt? Now children, take a snapshot. Screenshot. 3, 2, 1, click it. So that will be with you. Taken, Anisha? Taken? Now I want to take you to the another slide. Josh Franklin. This is the one. Chlorine, bromine, iodine, phosphorus, oxygen. Taken. Click, screenshot. That's good. Now, the weight percentage of oxygen in sodium hydroxide. You tell me the answer. It is for you. Question is for you. I will give you the answer. So weight percentage of oxygen, mass of oxygen upon molecular weight into 100. Sodium hydroxide contain 1 oxygen atom into 16. Total sodium hydroxide is going to be 40 into 100. What is our answer? What is our answer? Option 1. It is going to be option 1, right? Now, formula representation, molecular formula. So, the formula representation, the chemical composition of the substance. These are 3 kinds of formula compositions. One is empirical formula, another one is molecular formula, another one is a structural formula. So, the structural formula you can see CH3 COOH. This is called structural formula, and it is going to be C2H4O2. This is called molecular formula. CH2O is called empirical formula. So, this is the actual Mahiman Singh. Namaste, hi, good afternoon. Molecular formula is an empirical formula. Yes, exactly. Yeah, Preeti, right? So, this can indicate, so empirical formula is a simple ratio of a constituent element is called empirical formula, and the molecular formula is the formula mentioning exact number of atoms in this molecule is called molecular formula. हाँ, चैतन्य में है, चैतन्य अकेडमी इन्फिनिटी लैन एक ही है, and you can attend the Mahiman Singh, you can attend the classes on YouTube, and you can also visit nearby any Chaitanya Academy and you can get any kind of advices from there. Okay, सर इसके ऑफलाइन बैच भी चलते हैं? हाँ, आप कहाँ पर है? Mahiman, I'll tell you, आप कहाँ पर है अभी? And the structural formula means the same molecular formula is structurally arranged, that is called as a structural formula. And empirical formula of a compound, ये मेरा घर के पास भी खुलता है, जयपुर है, जयपुर में I think 3 centers are there. Okay, जयपुर में है, definitely you can just visit. Okay, you can go and people are going to help you for pursuit of any course that you have. Understand? Empirical formula of a compound is the simplest formula showing the relative number of atoms of different elements present in one molecule. So, relative simple ratio. मैं हैदराबाद कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस से हूँ, महिमान सिंह हैदराबाद कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस से हूँ, ठीक है? And molecular formula represents the actual exact number of different elements present in one molecule of the compound beta. Okay, so empirical formula, molecular formula कैसे relate किया? So the molecular formula of the compound may be same as empirical formula if it is a number is multiplical, and you can say the molecular formula is equal to Jose Franklin साहब COOH group is added in the structural formula क्योंकि because the arrangement of this molecule CH3COOH is given based on its properties. Okay, Anisha, this course is free online for 1 year. Yes, it is absolutely, Anisha, it is a course full free. I am not going to ask you except your name. Okay, simply I may ask you just like the session, share with your friends and subscribe to Infinity Lane YouTube channel. Subscribe kiya? Anisha, you subscribed it or not? Jose Franklin? And molecular formula you can calculate from empirical formula. Okay, the molecular formula is equal to empirical formula into n. So where an n is an integer, where n can be 1, 2, 3 or so. Subscribed, very good. Now if you see empirical formula, benzene, everybody knows it. It is C6H6 and the carbon is 6 atoms and hydrogen is 6 atoms. So the 6:6 ratio exact number. When it comes to 1:1 ratio, CH is the empirical formula. So that if you take CH into multiply with 6, you are going to get C6H6. Understand? Similarly, acetylene, it is C2H2, empirical formula CH. So I want to say sometimes empirical formula of a molecule, a compound is same as that of empirical formula of the another compound. Okay, right. If the molecules can have, they are said to be isomers, organic chemistry may. Now we can see acetic acid, it is going to be C2H4O2 and empirical formula is going to be CH2O. Okay, Anisha, did you subscribe or not? Glucose, it is going to be C6H12O6 and it is empirical formula is going to be CH2O, hydrated form of the carbon, so it is called as a carbohydrate. Understand? Now you can have steps for writing the empirical formula that we will do in the next class. So today we are done up to the total mole concept and empirical formula. अगले क्लासेस में empirical formula कैसा निकालना है, empirical formula से molecular formula कैसा निकालना है, and we are going to do some numericals and I am going to talk about the stoichiometric calculations and the concentration terms also. Very early, that's very good, Anisha, and I hope you like this session today, and please like this session and please share with your friends also because you got the benefit. इन लोगों को भी फायदा होना चाहिए. And click on to the Atreya description link so that you are going to see the all course details, and it is a P Square CB program is one of the most proven and scientifically designed program given by all eminent faculties from Sri Chaitanya Academy. Okay, Sri Chaitanya Academy by Infinity Lane, and it gives you a lot of boost, my dear students, and the description box it is there, you can click it and you are going to just the focus of the crack your NEET examination. Okay, that is all about Atreya P Square CB program, and we are done for the day, my dear children, and signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry from Infinity Lane YouTube studio. Bye bye, God bless you, study well with a lot of good plan. Okay, thank you, bye bye, see you.